Manufacturing high-quality temperature sensors is challenging, especially when it comes to welding delicate components like PT100, PT1000, RTD, NTC, and thermocouples. The TATE PT100 welding machine is here to simplify the process and ensure precise, high-quality welds every time. With advanced temperature regulation, the TATE PT100 prevents issues like overheating and inconsistent weld strength. This ensures strong, reliable joints that maintain the accuracy of your temperature sensors. Whether you're working with a variety of sensor types or different material thicknesses, our machine offers customizable welding parameters to meet your specific needs. Reduce downtime, improve welding precision, and boost your overall production efficiency with the TATE PT100 welding machine. We are the original source manufacturer, providing outstanding quality and dedicated support. Subscribe, like, comment, and share this video. For more information, reach us at info@oaktate.com.